Create a mind map to expound on a single idea to create a web of thoughts, innovations, and conclusions, all without ever using a mouse. To get started building your mind map, first open the Shape Manager. Click plus Shapes in the toolbox or press the M key. Once the Shape Manager has opened, scroll down to the Other category and toggle on the Mind Mapping Library, or search for it here at the top of the Shape Manager. Before exiting, press Save. Select a mind map shape and drag it onto the canvas. Notice that the text is immediately highlighted to enter custom text. Press Enter when finished. Now that you are starting to get your ideas on the canvas, use keyboard shortcuts to build out your mind map without interrupting your flow. Press Tab to create a child idea, Enter to create a sibling idea, F2 to edit text, Shift plus Enter will create a carriage run, which essentially creates a new line of text within your shape. Arrow keys will help to quickly navigate through your map, and lastly, press Z to collapse or expand children ideas. To see a list of mind map shortcuts, simply go to the Documents page, select Templates, Mind Map, and Blank Mind Mapping. This will open a new canvas with the mind map library already imported, a list of your keyboard shortcuts, and you will be ready to roll. After a few minutes of practice, you will be building out mind maps faster than you ever have before. Once you have your diagram built out and are wanting to customize a layout, click and drag the parent of a branch to move a section of the map. You can also collapse children branches of a node by selecting the parent node and either pressing Z or clicking the symbol in the bottom right corner of the node. If you're wanting a more automated solution, select Auto Layout from the Shape Options panel to reorganize all branches back to the center. Now that our mind map is laid out the way that we'd like it, we can customize the color of each mapping level with the Shape Options panel. A quick tip and trick for you: for maximum mind mapping space, try full screen mode. Lucidchart also gives you the ability to import and export mind maps. If you have an existing outline, you can easily turn it into a Lucidchart mind map by selecting File, Import, and Mind Maps. Lucidchart will open a wizard which will allow you to import one of two methods. Either select a text file or copy and paste a text outline. Lucidchart also quickly converts any mind map you've created in Lucidchart into a plain text or HTML text outline. To export your mind map, navigate to the Mind Map Shape library in the toolbox on the right-hand side of the screen and select Export. You then can copy and paste your HTML code or plain text as desired. When you have a great idea, write it down. When you want to map it out, use Lucidchart.